Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Adidas hat. This is the Superlite 3, I believe. I'll confirm once we open this, and I will drop a link in the video description below where I got this from. Alright, so looks nice. UPF 50, adjustable fit. It says Aero Ready on the side. Velcro, very nice. Oh, take this out. Check out the tag. Actually, I think this might be the Superlite 2 cap in black. I'll confirm though. But yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got this from, and let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. I wear these pretty much daily. This is my daily cap. Cool. All right, everyone, take care. See you in the next unboxing video. Later.